Hi, let's remove our personal data from Instant Checkmate. First, go to Instantcheckmate.com. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here on the right, click on Do Not Sell My Personal Information hyperlink. On this new page, enter your first and last name, as well as your city and state. Then press on this green search button. After that, find your record and click Remove this record. To submit your request, you will also need to enter your email address. So just enter it in this field box here. Then complete the CAPTCHA and press Send Confirmation Email. Finally, let's head to our email inbox. You should get an email from Instant Checkmate. Select it and click on Confirm Opt-out. Your data will now be removed from Instant Checkmate. Don't spend any more time opting out one by one. There are thousands of other data brokers like Instant Checkmate that collect and sell your information. Tracking them all down and sending individual opt-out requests can take hundreds of hours. With a subscription to Incogni, you can do it all automatically.